Teacher Joy's video and welcome to my science class. Last week we have discussed about the animal's body movement. Do you still remember? Alright, I'm gonna make a quick review about the lesson that we have discussed last week. Okay, you can answer by watching the video. Alright, let's start. Number 1. Which animal that move by flying? Yes, it's a bee. Very good. Alright, let's go to number 2. Which animal that move by swimming? Can you guess? Seahorse. Well done. Good job. Alright, let's go to number 3. Which animal that move by walking? Cat. Very good. Well done. And the next one. Which animal that move by hopping or jumping? A frog. Yes, well done. Alright, let's go to the next one. This is gonna be the last one. Which animal that move by crawling? Snail. Well done. Good job. Wow, I guess you now understand and remember all the animals by their movement. So this week we are still discussing about animals according to their body movement. Some animals move by flying, some animals move by swimming, some animals move by walking, some animals move by hopping or jumping, some animals move by crawling. Now we're going to make one of the animals that move by flying. Can you guess what is it? Yes, we're going to make this butterfly. Alright everyone, are you ready to make our flying butterfly? Alright, prepare your materials and let's check this video.
Check your learning pack and find these materials. This butterfly pattern, the colorful paper, the straws, the glue, the scissor, and you also need the sellotape. First, cut this butterfly pattern following the line.
Now, you can try moving the wings of the butterfly by pushing the long straw like this. Alright, I hope you like it, everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye!